Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, April the 8th, 2023. Already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars, Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars. This one will be number 6249. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 14 printed digits. And yeah, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one, 14. I do not know. Maybe it's a hard one. Maybe it's an easy one. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And the 4 stars puzzle, for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a 4 star, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Oh, here. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Can see any dual boxes here? Triple boxes then. Can see any triple boxes here? Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 should be here. And the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have also a quadra box in an L shape. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Here also a quadra box. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there.
喂，你咁得閒，幫我洗蘑菇呀？知唔知點啊？知唔知點啊？咁樣啊？咁樣啊？
Yeah. Yes.
呀，咁樣啊
？Okay.
我啲閪嘢特登睇你咩都咩嘅，都會掉呢副鑊嘅。你得嚟我都咩做咗。
Sorry for the interruption. Yeah. All right. Let me see. No quadra boxes anymore. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. We have an L shape here. Let me see the L shape. Here we have an L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. This one is not a good pencil anymore. Okay, the L shape. Rotated. When you see an L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1. Do we have more L shapes here in this puzzle? No L shapes. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have also the same shape but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, the same. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape, let me draw this shape here. when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same name as that box. Here, another one, upside down. This box has the same name as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape, the last shape, I believe. This shape. Let me draw this shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Here we have that shape here. Alright. Here another one. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get starting filling those and numbers. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. That means we have a double 1 here. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be a 5. It's in the same area. Alright. Then. Well, this box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, and these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 in this area should be here. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, let me mark those. 1 and 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those boxes. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. That box, those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Now we have 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 here. That means if I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 3, but also that box can be 3. 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or 4. But we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 and more. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there, and I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see, these are 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see, these 2 boxes can be 5. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then let me think. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. Then. Let me see. One. Come on. 4, 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box, should be also 2. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright, then these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this L-shaped quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra L-shape for numbers 1 and 3. Well, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4. Can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 1. Well, it can be a 1 here because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1 then, but we already have a 1 there. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. And these 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, but also those 2 boxes can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers are left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and 2. Then I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Let me mark those. This box can be a 5, so the 5, and that box can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area should be there. We have a double 3 here. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. And yeah. So now we have a pair, the 2 and a 1 in this area. Well, we have a double 1 there again, double number. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. If this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 box left in this area for number 2. 3 and a 1, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, with the interruption. But 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one very much. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Easter Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.